In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your WordPress dashboard with ease and confidence. Whether you're a seasoned site manager or just starting out on your WordPress journey, knowing how to efficiently reach the dashboard is a critical skill. It's your command center where you can make changes, post updates, and track your site's performance. Let's begin by going to WordPress.com. If you're not already familiar, this is the official website of WordPress, a platform that powers millions of websites around the globe. Ensuring you're on the correct site helps keep your information secure and guarantees you're accessing the right dashboard settings for your website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in WordPress.com into the address bar, then hit Enter. Once the page loads, you'll arrive at the WordPress homepage. Here, you'll notice several options and buttons, but for today, your focus should be on finding the Log In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on Log In to initiate the process of accessing your dashboard. After clicking Log In, you'll be prompted to enter your WordPress account credentials. If you already have an account, simply fill in your username or email address, followed by your password. It's a good idea to use a strong password that includes a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance your account security. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. Once you enter your login details, click on the Login button again. Now, upon successful login, you will be automatically directed to your WordPress dashboard. This dashboard is your control panel, providing access to various management tools. From here, you can add new posts, customize the look and feel of your site, monitor site statistics, and much more. Keep in mind that having access to your WordPress dashboard is crucial for maintaining your site and keeping it up to date. Regularly interacting with your dashboard will not only help you manage your content effectively, but also allow you to explore the numerous features WordPress offers. Familiarizing yourself with the interface can make a significant difference in how efficiently you can navigate and utilize your WordPress website. So, there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive guide to accessing your WordPress dashboard. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. The more you use WordPress, the more comfortable you'll become with its myriad of options and tools. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your WordPress site successfully.